How was your journey being the best businesswoman of the year?
It runs in the family and it's very excited. In the export market, there was such a big chance as well. In fact, I'm the only one that's done masters.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।
How was your journey being the best businesswoman of the year in Pakistan? I'm sure आपकी फैमिली में ये अवार्ड सारे भाइयों ने भी जीता हुआ है, आपके अब्बू ने भी जीता हुआ है, तो अब आपने भी जीत लिया है, तो ये लेगेसी चल रही है। How was the journey? ये सफर कैसा था?
It was, I have to say, very, mashallah, incredible and inspiring. You know, I come from a family that have such strong business skills and such strong business motivation aspects. So, you know, it runs in the family and it's a very big legacy to continue. I'm very excited to, you know, just keep moving forward. It's very inspiring, I have to say. And, you know, to be acknowledged and recognized like this. And this isn't our first award, actually. We've won 48 times. Best Export, we've won 2 President Awards, 2 Prime Minister Awards, and then the Lifetime Achievement Award.
Wow. I just want to ask you one thing. Why इसी field को choose क्यों किया? Why don't you go for something else?
So I think this was something my grandfather had founded, and this was established in 1975. And then since then it's been ongoing, and I think getting into the food business was fantastic as Pakistanis, because we love food more than anything, I would say. And in the export market, there was such a big chance as well to bring this in and be this leading business in the leading market from this region, not this country. So it's a very big thing.
Ameera, there's a perception in Pakistan में कि women बड़ा discrimination का शिकार होती हैं, उनको बड़ा मुश्किल होता है आगे आने में, उनके लिए challenges ज़्यादा होते हैं. How do you see the situation? आपकी नज़र में, is that true?
So I think औरतें actually face this difficulty कि they have a lot of, you know, standards based on them, expectations कि उनको एक अच्छी बेटी, बहन, बहू, everything, you know, these things बनना है. And the main thing is you do that through food and cooking at home and so on. So I think that we want to give this convenience कि औरतें have this option कि वो चाहे, you know, they want to focus on being a mother, they want to work, they on their education. वो चाहे जिधर भी they want to focus on, they have that option because we bring that convenience through cooking.
So everybody wants to know that from where you started, your early career.
मतलब दुबई में आपने पढ़ाई की, you did your early education from Dubai, और फिर आप लंदन गई, और जब पूरी जिंदगी लोग बाहर गुजारते हैं तो वापस आने का दिल नहीं चाहता ना?
You know, I was thinking about that today कि a lot of people go and leave Pakistan, unfortunately. जब भी उनको एक opportunity मिले बाहर, so they end up leaving. Unless you have a good family unit and business to come back, like आप ज़्यादा prosperity इधर ही करेंगे. So that is the sad part because a lot of countries में ये होता नहीं है. लोग उधर ही पढ़ते हैं, फिर उसी मुल्क को ज़्यादा बेहतर करते हैं, and you know, they build on their government, their society, their civil society.
They pay taxes.
Everything, yeah, they're good taxpayers.
Line में भी खड़े होते हैं.
जी, exactly, and traffic lights में भी रोकते हैं. So it's a very different, you know, manner.
Ameera, where do you see the women of Pakistan standing today? What is to be done? What is not to be done for them?
So for women, I would say focus on their education. I always say, you know, I've been very lucky and fortunate in my position that I've been, you know, as an equal as all my brothers. So, you know, my parents, they've seen no difference, and they were always inspiring me and motivating me to study as much as possible. In fact, I'm the only one that's done masters. So like that's how ambitious I was with my education.
Wow.
And so that is the thing that happens. So I would say for the women, they have to study. Half your population cannot be handicapped. एक बंदे के ऊपर there cannot be 3-4, you know, family members dependent. It should be a shared responsibility.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।